So today is Sunday, November 24th. I just came to my house to just record this video of my demolition progress. I'm not in a very good mood because yesterday's crew that I hired for the demolition did a piss poor job. They pretty much been just standing around, sitting around, chatting. They didn't do much work and I'm really pissed. We are behind because the bad weather is coming. This is the main reason I'm trying to do this demo as fast as possible, because the cold weather, the winter is coming. I'm really grateful for the weather, sunny and warm in late November, which is not usual. So I'm trying to take advantage of this good weather and try to take care of everything on the exterior of the house, of the yard and everything before the snowfall. I wanted to have the demo done by Monday, tomorrow, but there's like so much work left to do on the inside. There's so much debris that needs to be hauled out so I can load it. I have a loader rented. I've got a big dumpster truck booked for Tuesday and Wednesday to load all this debris and haul it to the landfill. I just came here today to record a video of this progress, of this demolition progress, to see what the house looks like on the inside at this particular moment on November 24th, 2019, Sunday. I wanted to show all my tools. Well, this is not all my tools, but all these boxes are full of brand new DeWalt tools. These are my toys that I'm using every day. I bought pretty much every single battery powered DeWalt tool that I could off the Amazon. This hammer is awesome. I even bought this LED light, which is great, and I'm also gonna fly the drone a little bit. So let's go ahead and get inside the house to see the apocalypse. All right, so this is it. This is the house on the inside right now. They have not finished taking down these walls. All this should be done by now. So they still have to finish the demo plus hauling the debris outside, which is a lot of work for one day. And I'm 100% sure they are not gonna finish this on Monday. So I'm probably gonna be 1 or maybe 2 days late with the demolition. Because I got so pissed last night, I stayed late until about 5:30, which was already dark. You know, it gets dark at 4 o'clock here, so I've been past that. I used my DeWalt light and I took down all the ceilings. So that's what all that wood here is, what used to be on the ceilings. So I took it down last night, which was really bad, dusty job. I mean, I inhaled so much dust, even wearing my dust mask. My nose, my face was so black when I looked in the mirror. I looked like a miner, but you know, I had to get it done. So all the ceilings are down for the people that I hired for Monday to cut it up in pieces and get it out so it can be hauled away. This is a huge house. I almost got in little trouble, possibly the whole roof collapsing, but fortunately that didn't happen, and I'm gonna try to explain. All right, I'm using the front-facing camera for recording because it's much better stabilized video. So I'm actually not seeing myself at the iPhone's display. So hopefully this timber is in the frame. So this is what the problem was yesterday. Some of the timber has been split in the middle. So these brick walls in the middle were supporting all these timber ceiling beams, and some of the beams has been split. So when the brick wall was taken down, some of the beams actually collapsed. I was not aware of it. I have not done enough research. In my opinion, all these beams should have been in one piece, but for some reason some are split and those had to be taken down. The beams are actually holding this whole structure together. The perimeter walls are actually connected together, across by those beams, and the beams actually support the roof. So if all these beams has been cut in half or removed, the roof would collapse down. So the beams needs to stay where they are for now. I have a plan after the new walls and the new floor is gonna be built and the perimeter walls connected. After that, all these beams are gonna be removed, but for now they needs to stay in place. So hopefully not much damage been done yesterday and my house won't collapse, and all the work can continue. I need to mention that so far I'm doing everything without a building permit, because to get a building permit is a long road here in this country. It can take 6 months or even longer to get a building permit in Czech Republic, which is crazy long, and I don't really have time, waiting for that. In 6 months I'll be finished. So we're applying for the building permit simultaneously with the work in progress. Hopefully there won't be too much trouble with this. I'm rather willing to pay the fine than to be waiting for the building permit. So the work is in progress and I really can't wait till all this debris is out of here so I can start doing some actual work, to start taking measurements and level everything, to measure all the windows that's gonna get replaced and relocated, that I can finally order the windows and everything. We're gonna have some skylights installed. This huge house is gonna be separated into 3 different houses, so it's gonna be a triplex. It's gonna be like 3 townhouses. It's gonna have a ground floor and first floor. On the ground floor there's gonna be the master bedroom and master bathroom, kitchen, living room, dining room, and upstairs there's gonna be 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. In American terms it's gonna be 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom house, but in Czech terms it's gonna be 4 plus 1, which is 4 rooms. That includes the living room and the bedrooms and kitchen. Let's go upstairs. It's a huge house. There's where one of the beams has been cut. Now there's another one hanging. This one is hanging. This one needs to be cut. Another beam has been cut over there. This one's been cut. This one's been cut. And over there in the back, a couple of those beams are split as well. Maybe it's even visible from up here. And that needs to be supported and connected together. I already have a solution for that. So everything should be safe and ready to go for the renovation. So this is the current stage. I wanted to even show the chimneys has been removed. There used to be a chimney. Here used to be a chimney. And back there, 1 more chimney. So 3 chimneys has been removed as well. So all these walls and floors are gonna be replaced and rebuilt brand new, which is gonna create brand new houses inside of this 130 years old brick house, which is gonna be great. I can't wait. I actually wanted to add a couple more things. I'm trying to record the progress on my GoPros every day, but with all these people moving around and all these jobs getting done at one time, I wasn't able to keep up with, you know, repositioning the GoPro cameras at the jobs that has been done at that moment. Plus, I've been driving around the city, you know, trying to take care of other stuff. So what happened is that some of the jobs actually have not been recorded, but it doesn't bother me much as long as all the job gets done. I'm trying to keep up with editing the video so I can put up some progress video on YouTube. But when I get home from work, you know, after a whole day, I really do not have, you know, that kind of energy to sit by the computer for another few hours and edit videos. But I'm trying to do little by little every day, so hopefully one day I'll have some video ready to post. Also, the crew that I'm hiring is gypsies who are thieves, and I'm really putting all my gear at risk being stolen every single day. So when I'm not here and I don't have my friend here, I'm taking my cameras with me, which causes to miss recording some progress. But I should have enough material to put a nice progress video. I'm gonna try to stitch all the videos together, like the time lapse from the GoPros, like videos from my iPhone, videos from my drone, to try to create some kind of progress video. Hopefully it's gonna be interesting how this progress goes. All right, so this is it from the inside for now. And it's time to fly the drone a little bit. Hopefully people won't be complaining, because I have really nosy neighbors who keeps complaining all the time about the dust and everything, complaining about me flying the drone here. So hopefully these people just leave me alone and let me do my job and record the progress with my drone as well. So let's go ahead and give it a shot and fly the drone. Hopefully I'll get away with it. Peace. Let's do one more exterior shot. I wanted to point out where all the buildings been standing and removed. Right there by the pile of bricks, there was a garage that's been cut in pieces and removed. Where I'm standing right now was a pergola that's been removed. Where this other pile of bricks was another shed. So all these additional structures has been removed. What I'm trying to achieve is to clear this yard, you know, to declutter everything, to have it cleared out so that only green grass and nice size yard will remain. So I'm trying to clear this out to achieve a clean looking appearance. Alright, hold on. As I suspected, someone actually did show up and been complaining about me flying the drone. This lady showed up and recorded me on her cell phone flying the drone, then approached me and told me that she learned that flying drone is prohibited and that I should stop that. And I asked her, what's the problem? Am I causing you any trouble? I'm just recording my house. I'm just recording my renovation progress. And she just asked me, to stop recording, and she left. Hopefully she won't be causing me any trouble. I'm tired of these people keep complaining about everything at this neighborhood. Alright, so let's just wrap it up and stay tuned for my next video.